Hi guys, Lens here. So I am working on this Samsung Galaxy T560. The model 61 is the same, T561, basically the same. And I didn't decide to do any video or anything, but I just decided to do so. This version, as you can see, you cannot open it at the back. If we could have opened it at the back, it would be so good. We are going to do a digitizer replacement actually, and you just need to heat the edges around and remove the digitizer. Depending on what you're doing, if you're going to do a battery replacement, this can be a pain. Yeah, it can be a pain. Yeah, the reason why I'm saying that, because it's not easy to access the battery area. We're going to replace this digitizer glass, right? So basically, for us to actually remove the ribbon successfully, we need to remove the entire middle frame of the tablet along with the screen, right? I'm not going to move the screen. We are going to do so, and for us to actually do so, we need to find an opening. And as I'm saying that, this thing is clipped down very tight, so we need to do so. So what I am going to do, I'm going to use a metal tool. I am going to look for an opening. So guys, I actually know what I'm doing. Wow. Once you find an opening, it will pop right up, and that's what we want. Yeah, so bear in mind that the screen is right there, so it can get cracked, but we're going to be very careful with this. Just to let you know, you can lift the screen up and you can detach the ribbon at the back, but in lifting the screen up, you want to make sure that you lift it correctly, because we don't know if the screen have adhesive at the back or at the side or anything like that. So it's quite a risky thing to do, so that's why I am not doing it. Yeah, so we sort of have an opening, so I am going to use a plastic tool. You're seeing a reflection from my monitor there, so let me turn my monitor off, and we're going to remove this. It's quite easy. As I said, we create an opening right here, and we can do so by removing the clips at the side. So the clips are now removed. You're seeing a reflection from my monitor there, so let me turn my monitor off, and we're going to remove this. It's quite easy. As I said, we create an opening right here, and we can do so by removing the clips at the side. So the clips are now removed. So we just need to release the clips. Once we do so, yeah, release all the clips by the side. So we should be able to lift this up, and there should be some clips at the top. Yeah, so we should be able to unclip the clips at the top. So we are actually out. We are actually out of the woods. Before we continue, right, we just want to make sure we don't have any damage. And that's one of the things you want to do when you're doing these repairs. You want to make sure you test. You want to make sure that you don't have any damage. So as you can see, the screen looking pretty, looking good. That's how you take this tablet apart. We're going to do a digitizer replacement in this video. So basically, for us to do so, we need to remove this tape. I know a lot of persons will be grateful, like I wasn't really in the mood to do this video, right? But I am doing it anyway. So all we have to do here is to remove the digitizer glass. And definitely you will definitely need to remove all the old adhesive, like here. Yeah, old adhesive. You definitely need to have patience doing this, or you may just give up and you may just crack your screen. So the digitizer is off. We're going to install a new one. Ensure that we remove all the adhesive first. So this is the new digitizer, and I'm hoping that we have the adhesive tape at the back, in which we do. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that yours have adhesive by just sticking your finger on it. Yeah, because later down in the movie you'll find out that it don't. Before fixing, make sure that nothing is on the screen. We're going to stick this. We're going to start by doing so from the button area. We want to make sure that we have everything in good alignment. Want to make sure that you have everything aligned properly. Yeah, then we are going to connect the ribbon for the digitizer. To be honest with you guys, I always test the digitizer before sticking, just in case it is not working, so I can show the seller or whoever I bought it from, right? So I've already stick it already, hoping that everything is working. But that's what I normally do. That it is. Now it is aligned, and it had a piece of tape over it when we took it off. We still have the tape here. If not, we'll put a piece of tape on it just to keep it down. We're going to test the digitizer. So guys, if you want to do a motherboard replacement, if you want to do a battery replacement, if you want to change your charging port, if you want to take the tablet apart, this is the cable for the screen. It's actually underneath the screen. If you want to do any of the above, that's how you do it. We are finished here. Actually, all we have to do is to put back in the tablet in the back cover. As you can see, the clips in which is holding in the middle frame and everything tight. So basically guys, as you can see, everything is working here, and we are going to put back in the tablet in the back cover. When you do so, you will hear a lot of hard clicking sound, but it's quite normal, nothing too afraid. You want to be gently, you do not want to break your screen. So as you can see, we are finished. Then it actually went off, but for me to be certain, I just flip my fingers to the volume up. Then I am going to select power off. It's actually right here on the screen. The tape is hiding it, so power off. This tablet is not mine, so the tablet is off and our job is done. Hook up the cable, tablet is charging, everything legit. So do like, share and comment, subscribe. I'm out. I'll see you in the next one.